Hi students, this is A. Mandri Kumar Rajesh. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on Chapter 2 Biological Classification. The first question, a cyanide is dash. Option A blue-green algae associated with human intestine, a blue-green algae associated with protist, a free-living blue-green algae, and option D, a symbiotic blue-green algae. So, a cyanide is a photosynthetic organelle. A photosynthetic organelle which is present in galactocystopite algae, which is present in a cyanide is a photosynthetic organelle which is present in galactocystopite algae. Then it is actually a cyanide, the term which is derived from cyanobacteria, a cyanobacteria. So option B is the right answer. A blue-green algae associated with protista. A blue-green algae associated with protista. A cyanide is a photosynthetic organelle which is present in galactocystopite algae. The cyanide term which is derived from cyanobacteria. So option B is the right answer. Contagium vivum fluidum, that is living fluid infested term has been given by dash. Option A Mayer, option B Ivanovsky, option C Bejernik, and option D Bowden and Pyrie. Bowden and Pyrie. This is R-I-E, Pyrie. So contagium vivum fluidum, that means if any organism make contact with this fluidum, it can affect by the disease. சரிங்களா, அதான் contagium vivum fluidum னு சொல்றாங்க. இந்த term-ஐ coin பண்ணது யாரு? Adolf Meyer described the tobacco mosaic virus. Adolf Meyer என்ன பண்ணார்னா, he describes tobacco mosaic virus. So option A is the wrong answer. Then Ivanovsky, who coined the term virus. Then Bowden and Pyrie என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, who discovered or who tell us virus can be crystallized. They crystallized virus from the tomato bushy stun virus. The Bowden and Pyrie என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, வைரஸை கிறிஸ்டலைஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ணாங்க சொன்னாங்க, டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணாங்க. எதுல இருந்து? they isolated virus from tomato bushy stent virus. சரிங்களா, ஸ்டண்ட் வைரஸ். அப்போ ஆப்ஷன் என்னவா தான் இருக்கும்? ஆப்ஷன் சி இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். Bejernik only term, that is the contagium vivum fluidum. So Bejernik coined the term contagium vivum fluidum. சரிங்களா. Then third question, the bacterial cell divides every 1 minute. It takes 15 minutes a cup to be 1/4 full. That means quarter. சரிங்களா, கால் பங்கு என்ன ஆகுது? full ஆகுது in 15 minutes. Okay, how much time will it take to fill the cup? How much time will it take to fill the cup? So it takes 15 minutes to fill 1/4 full of the cup. 15 நிமிஷம் தேவைப்படுது என்னது, கால் பங்கு கப்பை நிரப்புறதுக்கு. அப்போ எவ்வளவு நிமிஷம் தேவைப்படும் ஒரு ஃபுல் கப்பை ஃபில் பண்றதுக்கு? சரிங்களா. ஸோ பாக்டீரியா கேன் டிவைட் மைட்டாட்டிக்கலி. அப்போ ஒரு செல் எத்தனை செல்லா டிவைட் ஆகும்? 2 செல்லா டிவைட் ஆகும். சரிங்களா, அதை நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு செல் எத்தனை செல்லா டிவைட் ஆகும்? 2. One cell can divide into 2 cells. Option A 30 minutes, option B 45 minutes, option C 60 minutes, option D 17 minutes. அப்போ 15 minutesல 1/4 full ஆகுது. சரிங்களா, அப்போ அந்த 15 நிமிஷத்துல 15 செல் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. அடுத்த ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல அந்த 15 செல் எத்தனவா மாறும்? It divided into 30 cells. சரியா? அப்போ 1/4 வந்து என்ன ஆயிடும், ஹாஃபா ஃபுல் ஆயிடும். ஹாஃப் கப் என்ன ஆயிடும், ஃபுல் ஆயிடும். சரிங்களா? 15 நிமிஷத்துல 1/4 ஃபுல் ஆகுது. அப்போ அந்த 16வது நிமிஷத்துல அந்த 1/4 வந்து என்ன ஆகும், ஹாஃபா ஃபுல் ஆயிடும். பிகாஸ் 1 cell can divide into 2 cells. சரிங்களா? அப்போ 30 செல் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த 30 செல்லு அடுத்த 16வது நிமிஷத்துல எத்தனை செல்லா மாறிடும், 60 பாக்டீரியல் செல்லா மாறிடும். சரிங்களா? அடுத்து 17th மினிட்ஸ்ல அந்த 60 செல் எத்தனை செல்களா மாறும், 120 செல்களா மாறும். அப்போ ஒரு கப் என்ன ஆயிடும், ஃபுல் ஆயிடும். ஸோ அப்போ ஆப்ஷன் என்னவா தான் இருக்கும், இட் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் டி 17 minutes. So it takes 17 minutes to fill the whole cup. சரிங்களா? So option D is the right answer. Anaerobic monerans which are endosymbiotically associated with cattle ruminant. சரிங்களா? கேட்டிலோட இந்த ஸ்ட்ரெயின்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய பாக்டீரியா என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ பேசிலஸ், ஆப்ஷன் பி மெத்தினோபாக்டீரியம், ஆப்ஷன் சி ஹாலோகாக்கஸ், ஆப்ஷன் டி thermoacidophilus. So option B is the right answer. In cattle ruminants, methanobacterium are present. That is why this cattle can release methane. So and the cow dung வெளிய வரும்போது along with cow dung this methane gas also released by the cattle. சரிங்களா? Because of the presence of methanobacterium endosymbiotic which are present inside the rumen of the cattle. சரிங்களா? Then the fifth one word, sea water glows during night mainly due to the occurrence of dash. சரிங்களா? Option A Goniolax, option B Noctiluca, option C Euglena, option D Cyclotella. So Goniolax is an algae. It has a property of bioluminescence. But here they have asked during night என்ன ஆகுது, sea water glow ஆகுது அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துறாங்க. So option B is the right answer. Noctiluca scintillatans அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு algae என்ன ஆகுது, glow ஆகுது. சரிங்களா? Noctiluca scintillatans, அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்க, sea water sparkle வச்சிருக்காங்க. என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்க, sea water sparkle. So night time it glows. Noctiluca scintillatans. So Euglena comes under Protista, Cyclota comes under diatoms. So option B is the right answer. The sixth question, highly resistant nature of endospore is due to the presence of dash, gypnoclonic acid and peptidoglycan in spore coat. The option B peptidoglycan in exosporium, option C diptyclonic acid and calcium in cortex, option D gypnoclonic acid and calcium in cell membrane. So option C is the right answer. Diptyclonic acid and calcium in cortex. So this acid is a heat resistant. This acid which is present in the cortex can resist heat. So bacteria under dormant condition, this acid prevent the bacterium from heat. So option C is the right answer. Then the Ganges water purity is maintained by dash. Option A Jello vibrio, option B Clostridium, option C Ferrobacillus, option D Tolipothrix. So option A Jello vibrio is the right answer. Jello vibrio is a bacteria gram-negative obligate aerobic bacteria. It is otherwise called this bacterial predator because it modifies the host cell. This bacteria produced Delloblast. This bacteria produces a structure called Delloblast. Delloblast, which modifies the host cell. So it's otherwise called as bacterial predator. So option A is the right answer. Find the correct match, column 1 and column 2. Streptomycin is produced by the bacteria Streptomyces gyricis. So A1. Terramycin is produced by the bacteria Streptomyces ramosus. So B3. Chlorophenicol is produced by the bacteria Streptomyces venezuelae. C2. So option A is the right answer. Option 1 is the right answer. The ninth question. The photosynthetic protista are dash. Option A, diatoms, euglenides and slime modes. Option B, sarcodines, dinoflagellates and diatoms. Option C, euglenides, diatoms and dinoflagellates. Option D, ciliates, zooflagellates and dinoflagellates. Diatoms and euglenides are photosynthetic protista. But in the case of slime modes, they are not comes under plants or animals. Even it looks like a fungi, but it's not a fungi. Fungi mari irukana fungi kedaiyadhu. Actually, it is a amoeba, soil dwelling amoeba. So it cannot prepare their own food. So option A is the wrong answer. Sarcodine is also a amoeba. So it also are able to produce it's their own food. So option D also a wrong answer. So option C is the right answer. Euglenides, diatoms and dinoflagellate can prepare their own food because it contains photosynthetic pigments. So option C is the right answer, and there comes under protista. Euglenoid, diatoms and dinoflagellates comes under protista. Bivalve silicous cell or fussel occur in diatoms. That is why they are named as diatoms. Here they have mentioned bivalve cells. That is why they are called as diatoms. They are named as diatoms. அங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது bivalve கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, ரெண்டு வால் இருக்குன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதனால அதுக்கு பேர் என்னது? diatom. டைனா ரெண்டு. சரிங்களா? Then choose the incorrect pair. Goniolax red type. So it is the right answer. Meloshira golden algae. It is also a right answer. Nostoc contains heterocyst. So it is also a right answer. Mycoplasma contains cellulosic cell wall. Mycoplasma lack cell wall. So option C is the wrong answer. So for this, choose the question is choose the incorrect pair. So option C, mycoplasma is cellulosic cell wall is the right answer. Leucosin, that is chrysolaminare is a carbohydrate which is stored as a reserve food in case of dash. Diatom, euglena, dinoflagellates or paramecium. It is a reserve food material in diatom. Option A is the right answer. The reserve food material in euglena is dash. Option A, paramylum. Option B, starch. Option C, glycogen. Option D, mannitol. So option A is the right answer. In euglena, paramylum is the reserve food material. Mixotrophic nutrition occur in dash. What is called mixotrophic nutrition? In euglena, it contains photosynthetic pigment, so it can prepare their own food. In the absence of light, it can act as animal. That means they absorb nutrition from other animals. That is other factors. So it change its modes in nutrition into heterotrophic. Euglena can prepare their own food in the presence of light. In the absence of light, it can absorb nutrition from other organisms. It shows heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So it contains two types of nutrition. That means autotrophic and heterotrophic. That type of nutrition is called as mixotrophic nutrition. So it is present in, it occurs in euglena. Occurs in the protista called euglena. The 15th question. A special type of red pigment present in the eye spot of euglena and crustaceae is called option A, picoerythrin, option B, astaxanthin, option C, carotene, option D, xanthophyll. So picoerythrin, which is present in red algae, xanthophyll also present in the red algae and brown algae. Then carotene, which is present in the algae. So astaxanthin is a pigment which is present in Euglena and Crustaceae. So option B is the right answer. B is the right answer. It is a pigment which is red in color and it is present in the ice path of Euglena. Then 16th question, the paraflagellar body of Euglena helps in option A locomotion, option B photoreception, option C reproduction, option D osmoregulation. regulation. So option B photoreception is the right answer, which can receive the light. It acts as a receptor for light. Then Debray was a leading dash. Option A pycologist, option B mycologist, option C bryologist, option D pteridologist. So he was a leading mycologist. Option B is the right answer. So that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.